Hi everyone, and welcome back to the shop and the PuddyMod YouTube channel. Thanks for staying tuned. Thanks for checking in. And today on the bench we have an AP2 differential. This is one we've been working on for a few days now, restoring, getting ready to do the assembly. And this rear is getting an Osgiken 1.5-way LSD. Highly coveted LSD, difficult to get these days. People have been waiting months for them. And this guy is definitely very fortunate to have this unit, and we're going to go ahead and install for him. We're going to do a factory 4:10 ratio for his class. He cannot change the ratio, so we're going to stick with that 4:10 ratio. And putting in a PuddyMod solid steel sleeve, we're going to do a balanced assembly on it, so this thing runs a lot cooler on the track and smoother, less susceptibility for damage, and greater durability. So please stand by. Keep in touch, watch, enjoy, all that good stuff that you say before you sign off, and carry on to the next part of this video. Thanks for watching. Hello, Shop Kitty. Did you come up to see the new differential build? Oh, you did? Oh, very nice. Thanks for the rubbies. Oh, what a good kitty cat. All right, I guess you're done. Okay, we're back. And we have a really good setup here. We're just barely 1,000ths run out, so that's really good. Like to have gotten a half 1,000ths, but it just wasn't going to happen. All right, we'll go on to the next move, setting that pinion. Right out of the gate, perfect pattern. Excellent backlash all the way around. Really, really nice. So go ahead and get this thing apart, and we'll do final fitment in the last video.